We are making a steam whistle. Yes, I meticulously crafted a steam whistle by taking a brass pipe and basically grinding off a little mouth on the whistle. And I tried getting it to work in the first clip, but I forgot something. A very important part. On the bottom, there needs to be a little block with a little hole that goes right up to the lip of the whistle's mouth in order for it to actually work. So I added that, rigged it up to the side of the garage, and voila, you got a steam whistle on your garage. Anyways, check it out. So pretty much, it's a little complicated, just slightly, but it's not too bad. So basically, if you look in here, this is a steam whistle itself. It's basically just a big brass tube. All I did is I enclosed the top by basically hammering it. And then on the inside of the whistle, I put like a little wooden piece in there that like just a little opening right towards the front, right in the gap right there. And that allows the air to pass through this mouth properly and allow a very loud whistle noise to come out. And I basically just hot glued it to this pipe, not the greatest. I basically hammered it onto this pipe, nailed it to the garage, and attached this on-off switch. Right now it's on off. It's not connected to anything right now, as you can see, but I opened the valve and it's connected to another tube that leads up to here. And I usually leave this open when it's in operation, and all you got to do is press that and it will operate once you attach this cord, which this cord is connected to an air compressor inside of the garage, and you basically just throw it onto there. And yeah, I basically put it all together I just kind of threw it together, but this rope kind of works. I need to kind of fix that, probably add a little pulley here for it. But anyways, all we gotta do is turn on the air compressor because it's very low on air right now. The compressor is now on. All we gotta do is take this, pull this down. It's very hard to do with a phone in my hand. Here, hold up. Basically, you pull this down, kind of like this, and you basically just attach it. But I'm gonna have to. Okay, right now we have a massive leak right here. I don't know what's happening. You can see it's making a lot of condensation right there. But we'll let it gain a little bit of steam. Our valve is open. And yeah, we'll basically be able to give her a toot. All we gotta do is press down on this. And it's very loud. You can hear it from very far away. Here, we'll walk over this way. For our rope. And yeah, it's quite loud, and it'll annoy the neighbors if I do this all day. So yeah, I'll probably only whistle it like maybe once a day at like 12 or something, but that's pretty fun. And then if you ever wanted to shut off, basically pull that valve so no little kids try operating it. But you should never try whistling it with this valve shut, because this tube will go flying off because it can't pass through here. Or it'll go flying off this end, which I don't want it to since I spent forever hot gluing it, which is not the best way to do things. But yeah, basically you can do this if you have a bunch of crap lying around, a brass tube, and a grinder, and an air compressor, of course. And that's what happens when you have the valve shut. Very loud. Okay, stop. The previous night when I tested it, it sounded pretty pathetic, and it was very quiet. So anyways, I think you can see the difference there, and thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, just leave them down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you, and thank you so much for watching.